So, namaskar all of you. 2023 Odisha Civil Service Mains Optional Test Series Public Administration Optional Point Test 1 जो थरे हमारा syllabus basic concepts of principles and theories of organization रोची. So let us go to section A. एथरे 12टा क्वेश्चन देची. Any 10 you have to attempt. 250 वर्ड भीतर लिखियार अछि आपनको आउ 15 मार्क रो ओके each question रोची. How does the dichotomy between politics and administration influence the scope and practice of public administration in modern democracies? In what way has the significance of public administration evolved to address contemporary global challenges such as climate change and digital governance? Question 3. What are the key differences in accountability mechanisms between public and private administration, and how do these affect service delivery outcomes? Question 4. How does the blurring of boundaries between public and private administration under PPP challenge traditional public administration principles? Question 5. To what extent did the new public administration movement of 1960s address the social equity concern of traditional public administration? Question 6. How has the emergence of behavioral sciences influenced the evolution of public administration as a multidisciplinary field? Question 7. How does the public choice approach critique bureaucratic inefficiency, and what are its implications for state market relations? Question 8. In what way does the new public management perspective shift the focus of public administration from processes to results, and what are the potential drawbacks of this shift? Question 9. To what extent does the concept of good governance emphasize accountability and transparency over traditional hierarchical authority structures in public administration? Question 10. How has the emphasis on good governance influenced public administration practices in developing countries, particularly in combating corruption and ensuring rule of law? Question 11. Woodrow Wilson stated, "It is harder to run a constitution than to frame one." How does this statement reflect the practical challenges of implementing public administration in dynamic political environments? Question 12. Herbert Simon argued decision making is the heart of administration. How does this perspective shape the understanding of rationality and bounded rationality in public administration practices? Okay. Now, section B. So, 6 question achi, any 5 you have to answer. How does the principle of hierarchy contribute to organizational efficiency, and what are its limitations in highly dynamic and decentralized organizations? Provide examples to illustrate its relevance in contemporary public administration. Question 14. In what ways does the span of control influence the effectiveness of supervision in large organizations? Analyze how technology has impacted this principle in modern administrative structures. Question 15. To what extent does Taylor's scientific management theory emphasize productivity at the cost of human motivation? Discuss its implication for public sector organizations in the 21st century. Question 16. How does Weber's bureaucratic theory reconcile the need for impartiality and efficiency with the criticism of rigidity and red tape? Evaluate its relevance in governance systems of developing nations. Question 17. How does the human relation theory challenge the assumption of a classical theory regarding worker motivation and organizational success? Assess its applicability in resolving industrial disputes in public sector enterprises. Our last question, question 18. Chester Barnard stated, authority is derived from the acceptance of the governed. How does this perspective influence the behavioral approach to organizational authority, and how it is applied in contemporary administrative settings? Okay, so 3 hours ro paper eta public administration ro jothari ki syllabus amara paper 1 ro basic concepts of principles and theories of organization. So जो मैंने public administration ऑप्शनल नहीं की प्रिपेयर कर, बेस्ट विशेस टू यू. नमस्कार.